Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them, and of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, it's Z66, your underpaid, undertrained, undersure mechanic. And today we're going to do the most un-car repair video I've ever done. I'm going to show you how to install Weathertech floor mats into your Jeep. So, we're going to start with the trunk. Follow me, camera girlfriend. Yeah, I'm a cam girl now. YouTube's going to love that. Anyway, this is the Weathertech floor mat. It comes rolled up, they're hard to sell. So I used what I had available to help stretch it out. Oil, an Ole Miss front license plate that I can't mount on my Jeep, and a pumpkin. The pumpkin is unrelated to this, but there was a pumpkin available. So, this is really the easiest part. First, you just get that stuff off. Break your girlfriend's pumpkin. And you go to the back. Now, anything you have under there will get trapped or pushed into your fibers. So you want to make sure your trunk's pretty clean. Mine's pretty good. Just give it a big swipe out. And I got the measure to fit trunk liner. Let's see. Or measure each. And it's got the ridges to help catch all the crud. So, I'm going to put oil back here to help push it down, but there's the trunk liner. Now, I will say something about this that I don't like compared to the lip up here is not as extreme as it is on some of my other vehicles, which would let spills happen. Normally the ridge is all the way up, which I understand why they did that, but that's my complaint. So let's go to the passengers, or the rear. The first thing first, take your old floor mats out because let's make sure not to get my license plate in the video. Get our empty bottles out. I don't judge, you won't judge. And the clean wipes. So, old floor mat. Now, the cool thing about this has the hump zone. Or Wednesday. I'm the right cam girlfriend. The hump zone. So she's going to go to the other side of the car for this filming section. So, this has a hump section to go over. So you just got to kind of wedge it in there. And boom, there's the back done. Let's do the side. Now, we're going to pause the video a minute for me to go grab a shop vac to clean my carpet on the interior a little bit. We'll be right back. doing the driver's side, the hardest thing you gotta remember is to get these little hooks in. And I like that the little mounting brackets they have them covered. And boom, that's how you install WeatherTech floor mats. Now I'm ready to go places with my cam girl and get dirty. Why are you looking at me funny like that, Hannah? Alright, everyone. This has been Z66, your underpaid, undertrained, undershirt mechanic. You have a good one now. Bye-bye. Well, everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.